Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to disable copyrighted music in Windows Switch 2 for WWE 2K25. If you're going to stream it right on YouTube or some other social media platform, you might have copyright violation because of some songs. So what you need to do is basically you need to go to settings first. Okay, so go to settings, go to jukebox, okay, select it, and here disable all. Okay, remove all things. So remove, uncheck all, yes, and then accept it, so that you should not have any copyrighted music. Also you can check on volume, audio volume. So here you can reduce it, or you can just enable streamer mode and then accept it. That's it friends, is the way you can avoid copyright issues when you're playing WWE 2K25 live streaming on YouTube. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from your forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.